Sager NP8957 0.78 inches thin and light gaming laptop. Review deal discount unboxing setup. This machine is astoundingly great. Right out of the box, the machine boots into installation and quickly sets you free to do what you want to do. Zero bloatware or unnecessary manufacturer applications can be found when you first boot to the desktop save for the control center, which is incredibly useful for monitoring thermals, fans, RGB, and performance. The keyboard is very tactile and an absolute pleasure to perform work on. The screen is as you expect if you used a 120 Hz display before. Wi-Fi connection and Bluetooth is above average with very little or any instability. Overall thermal performance is above average as well. When you're doing moderate to light work, about 50 to 680 degrees Celsius average for CPU. GPU can be a mix as it really depends if your system is using it in your application. I get about 30 to 40 in my experience. Now gaming and battery performance are ones that you should absolutely take note of. Gaming on this machine is incredibly nice with high performance in many games. However, this is important. It will get toasty. Toasty to where your hands can start to feel the burn. The outer metal shell will conduct the thermal heat as you might expect, causing the surface to be hot to the touch. It won't set your house on fire hot or cause the system to melt inside out. But if you plan to play games at high setting for any prolonged period of time, be sure to keep this laptop well ventilated with either a stand or a stack of note card. Not a deal breaker for me since I expected this, especially in a form factor like this. The battery is where it really hurts. In overall casual use, not gaming, the battery can last up to 3 to 4 hours. If you're hopping between your classes or have a power outlet near you, it's not really a problem. But if you're at your local Starbucks, and you see a bunch of Mac users hogging all available outlets, you'll start to appreciate laptops that last a long time if you ever owned one. Gaming on the other hand demands you to be hooked up to the wall. Battery life plummets to the 1 to 2 hours depending on how power hungry the game you're playing is. Be sure to keep that in mind. Don't expect for this machine to last an entire day on a single charge. With that in mind, I highly recommend this machine to any gamer or student out there in the market for a portable, great value, performance laptop right now. But beware the issues and keep them in mind when spending your cash. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.